In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Shipstation. This integration helps your e-commerce data move more smoothly, so you can keep your marketing and shipping information aligned. To follow along, you will just need access to your Klaviyo account, and you should be ready to sign in to any app connection prompts that appear on screen. First, open your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are in, look for the navigation area that includes integrations. You are going to find a section called Integrations. This is where Klaviyo manages connections to other services, including shipping platforms like Shipstation. Take a moment to locate the Integrations option, because it is the starting point for adding a new app. Next, click on Integrations, then choose Explore Apps. This part matters because it takes you from the General Integrations area into the catalog, where Klaviyo lists apps you can connect. On screen, you should see a search field or a way to browse through available applications. If you have not connected Shipstation before, it will likely show up as a recommended or searchable integration. Now in the search area, type in Shipstation. As you type, Klaviyo should display matching results. Make sure you are selecting the correct app entry that corresponds to Shipstation. Selecting the right integration is important because it ensures the setup connects to the correct service and the correct data flow. When you see the Shipstation option in the results list, click to select it. At this point, a detail view or an app page usually appears. This page typically includes a short description of what the integration does and what kinds of connections you can set up. Review that information briefly so you know what you are about to install. You are not changing anything yet. You are just confirming you selected the correct app. After you confirm you are viewing the Shipstation integration page, the next step is to install it. Look for a button that says Install. Then click Install to begin the connection process. This is the moment where Klaviyo attempts to connect to Shipstation and prepares any required permissions. Once you click Install, you may see a connection or authentication screen. This is normal. If prompts appear, follow them to complete the authorization step so Klaviyo can communicate with Shipstation. If you are asked to confirm access, read through the permission message carefully and then confirm. The goal here is simply to allow the integration to work without changing anything unrelated to the setup. After authorization completes, return to the integration screen and check that it shows as installed or connected. Sometimes the status updates right away, and sometimes it takes a few moments. If you do not see the connected status immediately, give it a short moment and refresh the page if Klaviyo suggests it. This quick check ensures that the installation actually succeeded and that you are not leaving the setup half-finished. That covers everything you need to know. You searched for Shipstation in Klaviyo, selected the correct integration, and clicked Install to connect it. And that is all there is to it.